Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly as possibly go through a repair, go to the sales, and process that payment as fast as possible in our point of sale system. Now, using the features that I've already described in other videos, we'll be able to go through this effortlessly. So, in order to do this quick process, we're going to go to our sales that we already have here. Now, these are quick action repairs. Clicking this will essentially take us to this page where it's already set up. We can just follow up, go next. The parts that this repair is for is already added. So this is a quick repair for an LCD for an iPhone 7. The part is already here. The labor cost is also already added. We can go next. Here we can select our technician. It's going to be working on the device. And then here we can choose the customer, either by adding a new one or going to a customer that already exists and adding them to the order. If notes or images are important to this repair, then you can add them here. If not, you can go to submit. We can now go to the bottom here, and if the customer is not available to sign this now, we can put this to sign later, accept the terms and conditions, and submit. Now here we'll be able to go and print a QR code. Now this is going to be important. You can either print it as a label or a regular, and you can print it right here. So we have the AirPrint and receipt right there. After printing it out, we'll be able to go back onto the menu. And after finishing the repair, we can go to Find Repair down here, where it's going to ask us for the QR code for the repair. After printing it, you can go right here, put the QR code there, and it will take us directly to the repair that we just created. So now we'll be able to go straight to checkout. And now let's say the customer wanted a case as well. Well, if you already have the barcode printed from the inventory item, which I can show you how to do in just a moment, you can go to this QR button right up here in the corner by the switch, open that up, scan the QR code for the item that he's going to be purchasing, and there you have it. His iPhone 7 clear case has been added. Now you can process through the payment, go straight to cash, type in the amount of cash that's going in for the start of the day, since this is before any cash in has been made. So this would be asking you how much cash is in the account. Now, if this has already been done and the start of the day hasn't been done, then this won't be popping up. But since it is, then we'll be putting the amount of cash that we have in the register. Now, since this is going through Square, we're going to also see our Square integration come up here. Now, since this is cash, we're just going to put in the amount cash that's going through. Here, you can go in and use a Square receipt if you like, but you can just go ahead and go no receipt. After going there, it's going to bring you back to our page. Checkout was successful, and then you can print the receipt. Now, as I was saying earlier, I'm going to explain to you how to go and add or print that barcode for your inventory items. So we can go to inventory, we can go to the item that we want to print the barcode for. So in our case, it was the iPhone 7 clear case. We'll go here, and here we can print the barcode. Here we can also change the details of what that barcode is and change the numbers or symbols that are in the barcode. And that will be added automatically, or you can just go ahead and make your own list of barcoded items. Printing the barcode is going to print the barcode like we already had shown, and then going onto the sales page and going to that QR button will allow you to add that item to the sale. And there you have it. That's as fast as you can make a repair of our point of sale system.